excited and very nervous, pero I will enjoy this day.
Okay, so right now we are all excited at the same time medyo may konting nervous, but again, this is the moment of truth, so we're very excited and siguro in a few minutes mag-i-start na magkakalaman na who will be the first Flavor Genius champion.
Kung sino man manalo today, good luck. Good luck sa lahat. Thank you.
Orangeville.
I think most of the participants is familiar sila dun sa ginagawa nila, which is coffee-based or cocktail-based. But in terms of going into the championships or to the finals, most of them have actually improved in terms of one, speaking, number two, in terms of the ingredients that they use, and third, in terms of the balance of what they are doing.
Actually, I'm so impressed with Jose Ambrador. From the elimination round talagang nag-elevate siya sa pinakita niya ng finals. I like the flavor combination. So gumamit siya ng Madagascar Vanilla Bean Sauce, Flavor Max, and hazelnut syrup. So I love the taste. At the same time, yung carrot juice. So hindi ko alam na pwede pala yun. So I really in love with his cocktail.
One thing good about dun sa performance ni Jose was that he was very well supported by his colleagues from New World Manila Bay. No? It's good to see that they believe in Jose and at the same time all-out support sila for the performance of their colleague.
Shake it, Rick Ride.
Actually, si Bernard, okay rin yung ginawa niya kasi in terms of having fresh ingredients, he used the real passion fruit puree that he got from his province sa Lucena. The good thing about this is that kinumbine niya yon with the syrups and it turned out very well.
I really like the Cape de Passione. Kitang-kita kay Bernard din yung passion niya in terms of making a good drink. Good thing with Josiah, nag-focus siya hindi lang sa drinks. Pinag-aralan din niya talaga yung rules and regulation, yung bawat subsection ng craft, science, and art para makakuha siya ng mataas na points. Naalala ko is the inspiration, the taste, and the visual presentation.
Also, there's an emotional attachment to his drinks. Lagi niyang magandang inspiration niya in terms of sa eliminations
From the
pa lang,
elimination
yung
round.
mom niya. And then dito naman sa finals yung dad niya and then kung saan siya nag-work yung Tito's Bar nga. Actually, Lester was very deserving. I think with all the finalists, he was the one who was able to package his drinks very well in terms of visual aspects, in terms of taste, in terms of presentation and spill. And at the same time, yung time na ginawa niya yung drinks niya, I think it's all a good one-stop
So it's like a total package.
Total package.
That is what the Vinci Gourmet is offering when they came into the picture. My name is Lester Ligon. I'm from ABB. And today, I'm gonna make
Okay, the first ever Da Vinci Gourmet Flavor Genius champion is Mr. Lester Ligon from ABB. Congratulations!
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Lester Ligon, our first Flavor Genius champion. And with that, on behalf
Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. Hindi ko in-expect, sobrang overwhelming na experience na to. Hindi ko na-expect naman nanalo ako eh. In the first place, ang dami talaga magagaling na barista. and bartenders dito sa competition na sila ni Anton. It's like, winning is not just winning, but it's more like a bonus. Never lose. Either you win or you learn.